Agastya from MF Explorers 10. So today I'm going to I'm going to explore an interesting part in biology. Do you know what is that? That is microorganisms or microbes. You know, the living things other than plants, humans, mammals, and animals, amphibians are microorganisms, which we cannot see. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. We need a microscope, okay, to view it, or a magnifying glass. That's that's the reason it is called as a microorganism or a microbe. These microorganisms and or microbes are divided into five major groups: bacteria, fungi, algae, viruses, protozoa. First, let's explore viruses. If I tell viruses, many people say COVID-19 because no, not only COVID-19, we have many viruses like swine flu, okay, Ebola virus, Spanish flu, which came 100 years back. So we have many viruses. By the way, what are viruses? You know, viruses are microscopic. These viruses only produce inside the cells of the host organism, which may be a bacterium, a plant, or an animal. So, one more fact is that viruses is also called as biological puzzle. Reason behind this is that, when virus is out of our body, it is kind of a non-living thing. But when it comes into our body, it is a living thing. It multiples. For example, let's take COVID as an example. Okay, so COVID, if for example this is COVID outside, okay, you know this when it is outside, it's a non-living thing. It acts like a non-living thing. But when it comes into what do you say, into me, like, it acts like a living thing. It multiples. Okay, so, and also we have other examples for virus: common cold, influenza, flu. Okay, and yeah, many more diseases are also caused, like even pandemics. We get these pandemics like epidemics or pandemics because of these viruses. And also some serious diseases like uh, chicken pox are caused by these viruses. And also diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa. This is one more type of microorganism. And also diseases like what do you say, typhoid or TB, tuberculosis, are caused by bacteria. And also protozoa, it survives in soil and in water bodies. Example, amoeba or paramecium, and it is a single celled organism, protozoa. So next is obviously fungi. Fungi is like a plant like organism which do not have which does not have a chlorophyll. Okay, so, and examples of fungi are bread mold, mushrooms, and etc. Next is bacteria, the first organism to appear on earth. And this bacteria, it is divided into three types of cells in terms of shape: rod shaped cells, spiral cells, and rounded cells. And this bacteria can survive in any kind of environment, whether it is hot, whether it is cold, and if it is even medium, it can survive in any environment. Next is algae. So this algae is a photosynthetic eukaryotic cell. And examples of this algae is uh, Spirogyra, also Chlamydomonas. So, friends, I'm done with my topic. Signing off, Agastya.